Hi guys and welcome. If you always wondered how you can buy Bitcoin or Ripple or other crypto coins, cryptocurrencies fast, easy and without an extra effort, this video can be handy for you, because in this video I'm gonna provide you with the 3 small and fast steps that will bring you to the crypto world. So this is the platform. This platform is absolutely reliable, absolutely powerful, one of the biggest in the world. And that's what I want to say, that buying and selling crypto is just literally as easy as buy a coffee. So jump into this video and I'm gonna provide you with all 3 small steps. The first step, you need to find the link in the description panel of this video and get to the platform. Then you will press the register now button. And you'll be able to register with your email or your mobile phone. So it's up to you. I prefer to use the email. You just type in your email, creating a password, and you press to create an account. I will not show it to you because it's absolutely easy. You will handle it for sure, and it will take like less than a minute. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Let's jump to the dashboard of this platform and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so here's the platform and it seems like nothing changed, but we have a lot of buttons up here and we're gonna discover all of them. But the second step will be not the buy crypto itself, it's gonna be the third step, but you need to go to your this icon button. You need to press your account. And I want to say that this is absolutely new account. This is absolutely clear. I just created this to show you what steps you need to pass to be able to buy cryptocurrency. You need to approve your security systems, security verification. This account is very low. The security is low because this is absolutely new, and definitely you will be dealing with funds, you will be dealing with real money, you will be dealing with maybe a lot of money, and probably you want these funds to be safe and secured. That's why I suggest you to pass the verification, 2-factor authentication, phone verification or Google verification. It's up to you. And after you'll pass this all, you'll be able to make your first deposit on the platform. This platform is absolutely secure and it hasn't been compromised yet, and a lot of people tried, but no. So buy crypto. I'm gonna show you later the markets. The step number 2 is to pass all the security things, and we press the buy crypto. You have the options: bank deposit with a Swift bank transfer. Probably you heard of the Swift system. It's bank transfers between the banks, and you can use that one. You can use P2P trading, third-party payment, but I suggest you to use the credit or debit card. It's Visa and MasterCard powered, so everything is absolutely easy. The max amount is $5,000. And what should you do? Input amount, confirm payment details, complete 3D safety certification, and complete payment. So, for example, I want to add $5,000 US dollars, or you can change the currency according to your location. Maybe you will not find your local currency. Maybe it happens. It's not all of the currencies of the world presented here, so it's better to use US dollars or Canadian dollars or euros. So the comfortable currency for you and for your location, and you can change the coins that you will buy. So how to buy Bitcoin? Just press in BTC. Here's Bitcoin, and that's it. You type it in your amount. You're pressing OK. You're pressing forward. But I suggest you to use the stable coins first. So you need to bring your physical dollars to electronic dollars, okay, to digital dollars. So USDT is Tether, one of the stable coins that platform using for for changing and for buying and selling other cryptocurrencies. It's also cryptocurrency, but of course you can buy BTC straight from here, and the question will be closed: how to buy Bitcoin very easily. You just type it in, your amount of dollars that you want to spend that, and you press in buy BTC. But when you're gonna press buy BTC, I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. Identity verification. This is very important, and you need to provide the platform with your ID, with your identity verification, because there's anti-money laundering laws and processes in the world, because a lot of bad people using crypto not for the purposes of saving money, but selling drugs and weapons and so on. That's why all the governments and all the reliable and normal platforms and powerful platforms, they care about this issue, and they want to be legal, they want to play legal. So that's why you need to provide the platform with your ID, and if they hold such big amounts of money, it's billions of dollars daily, I'm sure that your ID, your information, your private information will be absolutely safe on this platform. And that's why I suggest you to use the normal platform, not the scam one or not the dark one from the dark net, you know. So you need to provide it. I'm gonna skip this one. I'm just showing you how it works. Alrighty, let's go to the main page. I showed you how you can make your first deposit. That was the second step, and the third step. And actually, buy now. You can choose the cryptocurrency that you want from this list, or view more markets, and you see there's tons of them, just tons of them. Probably you want to choose one of them. Like, there are BTC markets, altcoin markets, fiat markets, and support margin. That's for pros. So fiat markets, let's see: BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, and so on and so on. So BTC and USDT, let's press that, and we gonna jump to interface. Like, you can purchase cryptocurrency and BTC in general in common in this video, talking about the BTC or other cryptocurrencies, doesn't matter. So the point is that you can buy it straight from your credit or debit card, and you're gonna own it here in wallet. You're gonna see all your balances, all the amount of your currencies that you have will be available here in the wallet. But the interface, I want to show you the interface so you can trade it. Here's on the trade button, you see convert, classic, advanced, margin, P2P. What does it mean convert? Let's see what does it mean convert. So for example, if you bought for your physical dollars, you bought USDT, the stable coin, as I told you, and you have it on your balance, it's gonna be here, it's gonna be available right here. You see it's zero now. Again, I'm saying it again, I will not fulfill this account, I will not make my deposit, because I'm not using this account to my trading. I created this account just to show you what steps you will need to pass to be able to buy cryptocurrency. So it's zero, but convert. So you're converting the USDT, if you have them, to BTC or one of the cryptocurrencies that you want to buy. There's a list of them, and you definitely need to learn more about them, because everybody knows Ethereum and Bitcoin, but there are tons and tons, like literally list of the cryptocurrencies. There are very interesting projects. So the trade convert, this is one way, but this is not actually the cheapest way. So we're gonna jump to classic trading, and that's the interface that I showed you and that you saw previously. BTC to USDT, you see in the left top corner, this is the name of the market. This is currency pairs that you're trading on, the current price, the changing in 24 hours, and so on. A lot of the list of people who want to sell and who want to buy, and the prices of these assets. all the technical stuff, all the graph, all the charts, and all the candlestick bars, and so on. But how you can literally buy cryptocurrency here on this chart, considering all this information that you have here. Let's jump here. Spot, cross, and isolated. I suggest if you just newcomer to cryptocurrency world, definitely you need to use the spot trading, not the cross 3x and isolated 10x, because all those are shoulders, all those are leverage, and so on. It's for pros. And so if you're newbie, just use the spot. And the easiest way for newcomers is to use the market button. What does it mean? That means that when you putting on your order for buying or purchasing cryptocurrency, the order will be executed at the same second that you've made this order at the price of the market available for the moment. Okay, so you can use the limit. For example, right now the price, you see 57,998, but in seconds it's changing in seconds. You see it's 57,937. all right, and here's 57,998. So you can change it, for example, for 57,898. I'm not showing you how to gain money on it, how to earn money. Yeah, I'm just showing you what can you do, and you're placing your order. You're pressing buy, and your order will be here in the list of your orders. And when the market will give you such price as you limited, you will get the profit. Now, you will get the cryptocurrency at the price that you want it. But if you want to buy it fast and like in a couple clicks, you just use market, and that's it. So the price will be the price of the market for the moment when you gonna place your order, and that's it. Here in the list, you'll see the date, pair, type, site, price, and so on, and amount, field, total, trigger conditions, and cancel button if something went wrong, if market went the incorrect way, or you changed your mind. For example, you can cancel all these orders, cancel all, or cancel specific order that you want to cancel. Here's the list. Here's the also for example, BTC to USDT, and I don't want a BTC, I want Ethereum, for example. So let's try to buy Ethereum. You can see it in the list, and here you go, all the markets available here, ETH, USDT, you see, and all the charts, all the information is related now to this specific currency pair. So ETH, USDT, the same thing. You just putting your amount or how much you want to spend. Also this scroll bar. For example, I have a balance and I want to buy ETH for 50% of all my balance, and I'm just dragging this button and dropping it and pressing buy. That's it. So I showed you that you can buy crypto straight from here. You can use markets to find the market, the cryptocurrency that you want. If you're a newcomer to this crypto world, so just go to this 9 dots button, and you see the Academy. Academy is very, very important and very interesting feature, because the platform itself provides you with all information that you gonna need, all educational materials. It's pretty clear and understandable. It's pretty easy to learn, to find more information about each cryptocurrency, and definitely you will use this information to make money on it. It doesn't matter what is the purpose, what is your own purpose to buy cryptocurrency. You want to hold it, maybe you earn somewhere $100,000 and you want to buy Bitcoin and wait a couple years until it's gonna be not 58,000 per coin, per token, but $100,000, maybe like that. Maybe you want to trade daily, maybe you want to invest and forget about that. for example. Yeah, it's up to you. We're not giving you any investment advices. We're just showing you how you can buy your own cryptocurrency, and the wallet is like built in. You don't need extra wallets, extra hardware, and so on. The platform is absolutely reliable, and all the withdrawal things happening with the wallet. As I told you already, this is totally blank account, and there's no money on it. You can deposit, withdraw, transfer, and wallet direct. So I wanted to show you that to buy cryptocurrency, it's literally as easy as to buy coffee in the cafe near to your house. That's it. And all the world of cryptocurrency is just open for you. All you need is internet connection and some adequate device to get to this platform. I want to remind you that our team spent a lot of time, money, and efforts to get this this information and to provide you with the correct link. And if you're gonna use that link, we're gonna get a small reward, and we're gonna appreciate. So if you consider this video as useful, please use our link in the description panel of this video. I wish you good luck, and I wish you to buy your first cryptocurrency. Have a great day, and bye bye. See ya.